Show you how to factory reset a pair of the Vibe Beam Earbuds. Okay, you want to do a factory reset if one side's not working, maybe one volume is lower than the other side, maybe you have trouble or connecting to a phone or to a TV or whatnot. Anyway, we're going to factory reset these, okay? First thing I want to show though, that I'm connected to my Android phone here, Samsung Galaxy S25. You can see it's paired device, the JBL Vibe Beam here. So now listen up carefully how we do this, okay? Because the instructions are, it's very vague, okay? So let me pull these out first, okay? And let me look at the lights on top of the earbuds here. It's two solid blue lights and they'll go off. I am connected to my Android phone. Now let's factory reset these, okay? So how to do it is this. Just grab one of the earbuds, it doesn't matter which one. I'll just grab this one here. And then you have to do the sequence here, okay? You have to go bam, bam, and then press and hold up here, okay? And you just want to bam, bam, and then bam, bam, and then press and hold, and keep holding until you see the second blue light blink, blue, and then blue, then let go, and then we'll put them both back in the case for the factory reset. So remember, here we go, ready? Boom, boom, boom. Now hold it. Still holding here. Blue, blue. Okay, I got it the first time. Sometimes it takes me like 2 or 3 times to get it, okay? But anyway, we just did it there. Now I'm going to put it back. And it already disconnected from there, but okay. So we put it back in the case. Now wait till the lights turn off on both the buds here. Now we're going to pull it out, and as soon as we pull it out, it should be in pairing mode now. The factory reset's already done. It's in pairing mode. We know that when both of the lights, both the earbuds are blinking blue, 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 okay? Now, just really quickly, remember I was connected to my Android phone. Now, if you're connected to your Android phone or iPhone or whatever phone, and you want to connect back to it after we did the factory reset, then what you want to do is go back here and just delete it off your paired list. Click on the settings button here, and just go ahead and unpair, or it may say delete, or if you're on an iPhone, it says forget device. Just unpair like that, and then we can just rescan, type and scan. It's already in pairing mode if you want to pair it back to the same device that you originally had it paired to. So I can go ahead and connect there, or I can just go ahead and wait for it to show up down here as well, and I can tap on that to connect back to my Android phone here. Anyway, I hope that helps you guys out.